Hi, this is David with XTBills. In this demo, we're going to sync XTBills with your QuickBooks Desktop account. Before getting started, go ahead and have an XTBills page ready and minimized. You'll want to be on the Complete Account Setup page of XTBills. Okay, let's get started. First, go to the QuickBooks shortcut on your desktop. Right-click and select to run as administrator. At the dialog box, select the appropriate company. At the QuickBooks login prompt, insert your password. Remember, you have to be a QuickBooks administrator in order to log in. Once logged in, keep your QuickBooks Desktop open. Next, go back to your minimized XTBills tab and you should be on the Complete Account Setup screen as seen here. Once here, click Continue Setup. When in the Step 1 tab of Setup, select your QuickBooks version. In this case, you will select QuickBooks Desktop from the drop-down menu. Next, click the link to download the QuickBooks Web Connector. You'll be directed to the Intuit download page. From there, you'll see a link about halfway down the screen. Follow the on-screen download prompts to get Web Connector downloaded. Once download is finished, return to the QuickBooks page that you have minimized. Next, you'll enter your file path. To do this, go back to the QuickBooks Desktop and go to File, Open Previous Company. At this point, you want to make sure to take a moment and write down this extension exactly as you see it here. You will use this in your next step. Go back to XTBills and enter the file path just as you wrote it down. When you enter it, make sure to add a capital QBW to the end. Double check and make sure everything looks correct and hit the Download QWC file button. This concludes part 1 of how to sync XTBills with your QuickBooks Desktop account. In part 2, you will use Web Connector to populate your QuickBooks information and to get you completely set up with XTBills. Should you have any questions at any time during this process, keep in mind that live chat is enabled on every page. We'll see you for part 2.